Welcome to a fresh look at how you can instantly transform any room with beautiful self-adhesive wallpaper. Today we're talking about modern, stylish, and super easy wall coverings that take your interior design game to a completely new level. These self-adhesive wallpapers are the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to update their walls quickly, beautifully, and without the typical hassle of traditional wallpaper or paint. Imagine waking up to a room that feels brighter, more stylish, and full of personality, all thanks to self-adhesive wallpaper that sticks right onto your walls in minutes. These wallpapers are specially designed to be user-friendly and DIY-ready. No messy glue, no complicated tools, and no professional installers needed. You simply peel the backing, align the panel correctly, and press it firmly onto the surface for a smooth, seamless finish. It's that simple. These wallpapers come in a variety of textures, colors, and patterns, from elegant marble effects and classic brick motifs to soft melange tones and eye-catching designs. Whether you want a calm, neutral backdrop for your living room or a bold accent wall that becomes the centerpiece of your home, there's a style that fits your vision perfectly. And because they're made to be self-adhesive, you can experiment with design ideas without long-term commitment. They're perfect for renters, homeowners, or anyone who likes to refresh spaces often. One of the biggest advantages of these wallpapers is how simple they are to clean and maintain. Unlike traditional wallpaper that can stain or fade over time, self-adhesive wallpapers are often washable or wipeable. You can remove dust, fingerprints, and occasional splashes with just a soft cloth and a mild cleaner. This makes them especially suitable for high-traffic areas like kitchens, hallways, kids' rooms, or rental spaces where easy maintenance matters most. Another key benefit is moisture resistance. Many peel-and-stick wallpapers are built to withstand humidity and light moisture, which means they can be used in bathrooms and near sinks without worry. This flexibility makes them a great choice for nearly every room in your home. Plus, the installation is so intuitive that even first-time DIYers can confidently create a flawless wall. No special training, no tricky techniques, just peel, stick, and enjoy the transformation. Design trends today lean toward personalization and expression, and self-adhesive wallpaper lets you do just that. You're not limited by paint colors or boring textures. You get rich patterns, realistic finishes, and perspectives that add depth and character to your walls. Marble styles bring a luxurious feel, textured patterns add dimension, and soft tones create a cozy atmosphere. Whether your goal is sleek minimalism or bold statement decor, self-adhesive wallpapers help you achieve it with ease. Installing them is as satisfying as watching the final reveal. Instead of days of preparation, this wallpaper lets you refresh a room in just a few hours. You can plan your layout, match patterns, trim edges with a simple blade, and make precise adjustments as you go. The result is a smooth, professional look that feels expensive and sophisticated, without the high price tag or long renovation time. This type of wallpaper also helps hide imperfections. If your walls have minor dents or uneven textures, the wallpaper's pattern and surface can visually smooth these flaws, making your interior appear more polished and even. It's a clever design trick that makes any space look more refined and considered. In summary, self-adhesive wallpaper is an incredible tool in your design arsenal. It's versatile, stylish, easy to apply, easy to maintain, and perfect for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. Whether you're doing a full room makeover or just refreshing a focal wall, this wallpaper gives you beautiful results without the stress, without the mess, and without breaking the bank.